Might put that in that bit.
Well, there goes the neighborhood. For the better!
Nah. I don't know, y'all let me know. Might go ahead. Ready with flip up iron sights. That ain't iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and be real with y'all. This is not iron. That ain't iron, cuz. That polymer. Same shit as this. Go ask about me, I'm diving 556 and living chill.
Go ask about me, I'm diving 556 and living chill.
They write that bit up like a criminal. They got a certification, motherfucker. Yeah, finna bust it open. We got some Lucas, motherfucker, in this bitch. We got some sights, front and rear. What kind of plastic this is? Oh, plastic. We got that 60 in that bit. Ooh. We got that little motherfucker. Yeah. Yes, sir. America Tactic. We got that 60 in there so y'all can see that. Got the window in that bit so you can see through. Nice. That's nice. Damn boy, that is nice.
Christmas came early.
Yeah, boy. What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Tay Hunter. We back again with another banger. You like to see by that title and the thumbnail. New fire. Yeah, we got some new fire in the building. And we got that 556. That will lift your chin up.
Go ask about me, I'm diving 556 and living chill.
Yeah. So we have an MAXX, an ATI MAXX 556 in that FDE. You know. And it came with the 60. Came with that 60. And it came with the flip up sights. That's gonna do it for right now. Before we keep talking about the gun, I'm gonna tell y'all about what came in the box. So yeah, let me get to that. Dang. Alright, so we got the box right here. You know, it's just a cardboard box. Half a MAXX Tactica on it. Oh, that's the American Tactica. Boy, I'm tripping. So the box came with polymer stay sticker, just like at the front, you know. We got a little manual with the guns, you know what I'm saying? We got the bag that the 60 came in. We got a certificate. We got a certificate telling us that the gun has been fired. You know, y'all see. And y'all, as y'all gonna see, this thing was wrapped up all nice and pretty, like criminal. That bit was wrapped up. And of course, you got the lock. It's gonna stay like this forever in the plastic. And they sent me some locust gun oil with that thing. Yeah. So that what came in the box. Everything that y'all see came in the box. Even the flip up sights on that thing, you heard me? So yeah. We finna jump into the features and all that type of stuff. Alright, so we finna continue on with the details on this ATI MAXX AR pistol. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we're finna jump into ATI is the brand. The model is Alpha MAXX. Caliber 5.56 T23. You know, it's an AR-15. The operation system is direct impingement. Y'all know what that means? Let me know. The gun came with a 60-round magazine, you know, with the windows on both the sides. Both of them. It is semi-auto, 7.5-inch barrel, you know. Yo. Right hand operations. Even though I'm wrong hand, as y'all say. I got the right hand operations on that thing. Yeah. Came with rear and front flip up sights, you know. What else that bit got? The muzzle on that bit, it says it's a flash hider, but we gonna see. We gonna see here shortly today if that thing gonna hide that flash. What else we got? We got the black polymer grip, and my upper and lower is polymer too, you know. We got the Picatinny rail all the way down that bit. We got the Picatinny. And on my hand guard right there, we got an M-lock, a little M-lock. I'll do a little something. Y'all gonna see. Do a little something with the little space I got on that bit. LDE, y'all know that. Y'all didn't, y'all do. And the barrel description says threaded 1.5 inch by 28. Got a little mil-spec trigger, you know, nothing crazy. Regular trigger. I gotta show y'all the trigger. Y'all know how this go. Alright. Got that pull right there. Let me show y'all the reset. You know, it ain't too bad, it ain't too good. It's gonna work though. You know, they gonna do what it gotta do. And I'm guessing it says 5 pounds, so it's 5 pounds. You know, the gun. Just that gun by itself is 5 pounds. What else they saying? What else we got on this thing? It say lightweight and versatile. Lightweight and versatile, this 7.5-inch barrel pistol is engineered for diverse shooting scenarios. It arrives optics ready with flip-up iron sights. That ain't iron. I'm just gonna go ahead and be real with y'all. This is not iron. That ain't iron, cuz. That polymer. Same shit as this. And this. And, you know, they lying about that. But anyways, not iron sights. Come with a 60-round magazine, and it offers exceptional value. Customized easily using the integrated M-lock and full-length Picatinny rail. You know, y'all know what's going on. So yeah, this is my new AR pistol. Let's tear that thing up. And I've been seeing people say it's hard to load the 60. I don't know if they just a small man person or what. But it wasn't hard, you know. Yeah. Let me show y'all the inside of that thing. Cause it's oil to the max. It is clear. Hold on. Alright, you know. For my charging handle and my BCQ buck carrier group, you know, nothing crazy. This is basic. They ordered up pretty good. They oil that thing up nice and pretty good, But of course, I'm gonna throw some more oil in there before I shoot it. And see that bit FD all the way through that, through that bones. Pain. So yeah, that's my upper. And here's my lower. You know, that's crazy. Might put that in that bit. Nah. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Might go ahead. Gonna put that in that bit. But yes, I gotta change out this buffer tool because I'm not a YN. As y'all know, I'm not a YN. And I need my position so I can shoot correctly, you know. And this, it sucks, you know. You can tighten it up, but it ain't gonna be tight enough. So what I'm gonna do when I go shoot it, let me show y'all what I'm gonna do. Let me show y'all that trick. Let me show y'all my little trick. So put that sock on that thing. Put that sock on there. Yes, it's gonna look like that, but trust me. Y'all gotta trust me on this one. Put that sock on that thing. Hey, you see how that bit ain't moving? Hold on. Put that sock on that thing and I'm telling you, then you can you feel me? See how that bit out? See how that bit out? But hold on. If I ain't got my sock on that bit and I do like that, I can't, you feel me? I can't even do the push-pull motherfucker that big gonna go in. So yes, we do have a new buffer tube and stock on the way for the hoe. You know, time out. We ain't playing. Then for my my Picatinny and my M-Lock rail, you know, might throw me a Hollison or a Romeo up top. I don't know which one yet. Y'all gonna see that though. And I gotta put me a hand start right there. So I can grab that hoe like that. And do that push-pull motherfucker so that bitch won't be, you know, y'all know. If you know, you know. Yeah. I put this back together real quick. And I'm gonna be right back to end this video with y'all, okay? So yeah, this is my new Alpha MAXX ARP. This is how I look right now before I do what I gotta do to it. Y'all see that? And it came with the 60, but I had a 40. I had a 40 that I had left over from my 300 blackout. If you know about that, you know. You know about that 300 blackout, you the OJ. OJ.
Let me get Cosmo.
That's for the love. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notification bell. And tell everybody to tell you Huncho this buy a new gun, bitch. But yeah, we're gonna be back with more shit. Okay.